Good afternoon, everyone. Let's have our second virtual house tour for this afternoon. And this time, it's another potential transient rental business or Airbnb for you if you're looking for that kind of business in the future. So at my back is a townhouse na corner, not necessarily corner, and unit siya, na siya'y extra space, extra lot in front, and fully developed siya because it is an existing transient rental business. And if you're the one to acquire this one, prepared na kayo siya. So, in front of you is a fully gated nga house. And here is actually a space nga pwede matambayan sa inyong future guest, or if you would like to nga magpuyo ka ani, pwede pod kayo nga mahimo nimong coffee area or breakfast area and whatnot. So, as you can see, the facade is definitely amazing. It's refreshing and at the same time, super developed siya nga pulido pagkatrabaho. When you come in, you'll have here yung butanganan sa imong mga chinelas o sa mga shoes nga para dili pod kaayo okay. Actually, first time pa na ako makasalo diri and it's my way of telling you nga it's very amazing. So, this is really used for transient. Kung makita ninyo ang design, and nakbutang Casa Prime, and a vacation inside. So, gi-develop good siya in a way nga it has a very cozy vibe, welcoming at the same time. Oh, nice siya. Mura siya model house to be honest. Kani same siya sa ako ang Airbnb as well. Nga dining table, a good for 6. And then here is gi-develop niya ang extra lot into an extended kitchen, fully furnished siya na na own appliances and everything you can see here. And also, I personally like this type of color na siya sa like gray, ano ba dito? So tawag peachy siya, and at the same time kanang papel, wood and papel nga vibe, no? Nabay siya space diri. Yeah, there is a space also here where you can also use this as your dirty kitchen. Right now, ilang gibutang as is lang nila as the original design. This is actually and surprisingly a comfort room. So, in ano bitaw nga door nga sliding, very space efficient siya. And in tanawa, mura siya ka ng Airbnb that you can see in metro such as Davao, Cebu, and Manila. Very inspired siya. And just as what we do also in my Airbnb, naa sila yung mga different card games and whatnot for pang pastime na lang sa nila. So, coming up here, ooh, amazing kayo. Nasa yung malaga na green vibe. So, yun. And this space also, nasa yung mga cabinets. But if you want to improve this one, I may suggest pwede po siya home office, co-working space, no? And something like that. Same thing, tada! Another toilet and bath as well. Coming here is our the only bedroom in the house. So actually, this house is designed for 2 bedrooms sa taas, but they opted to convert it into one where naapay 2 queen size bed, double size bed nga I think maka-accommodate for 4 persons, and naka-on ang aircon, kabog now. So napod sila television and everything. Kani nga balay will be sold in a fully furnished way. So, if you acquire this one, diretso na din na to siya pwede i-operate as your rental business, and diretso na po ninyo makuha ang inyong income once na ni mga manulod or mo check-in, mo book na mga guests. So, if you're interested, once again, please send me a message today so that we can arrange your future rental business. Bye!